Dianne Karg here with 1 Minute 1 Tip. The combination of summer heat, body chemistry, bug spray, and sunscreen can wreak havoc on your silver jewelry. Now, if you are traveling and you don't have access to jewelry polish or a polishing cloth, you can use toothpaste to clean and brighten your jewelry. Now, the way this works is that you take a dab of the toothpaste, put it in your palm with a little bit of water, make a slurry paste, and then use that to clean and brighten up your silver jewelry. When you're done, you rinse it off and then dry it with a clean cloth. Now, you do have to use paste toothpaste as opposed to gel, and even though it's a soft abrasive, it is still strong enough to damage soft stones like turquoise, amber, and pearl, so you won't want to use it with that type of jewelry. If you found this tip helpful, then please like, share, and comment in the section below, and then come and visit me at thetowelwire.com, where I share more tips, tricks, and lessons on how to make wire jewelry. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you next time.